Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we have from The Body Shop the Share the Love calendar. And she is a hefty one, which is why the camel is not here right now. Oh my goodness, she is a hefty one. Today we will be taking a look at all of the lovely goodies that come in this calendar. The top opens up and reveals a wondrous Christmas scene. The drawers in the front will also open, and that is where you find your goodies. So let me corral the camel and let's take a look at what's inside this advent calendar. Okay, we can start unboxing now because I'm here. Okay, camel, let's see what comes in this Advent calendar from The Body Shop. Share the love and joy. We have grapefruit lip butter and British rose hand cream. Oh, those sound lovely. Yes, they do. We have drops of youth in a sheet mask and in a concentrate. We have a rice cleansing scrub, and we have chamomile cleansing butter. We have mango refreshing fragrance. Oh, I like the scent of mango. Me too. We have some type of a body or foot pumice scrubber. At least that's what we think it is. And we also have vitamin E toner. We are 1/3 of the way through the calendar. Have you seen anything that you like? Leave us a comment below. Yes, please comment below. And moving right along, we have a British Rose body scrub and a British Rose shower gel. We have a vitamin C mask and a berry bath blend. We have coconut lip butter and mango hand cream. Oh, I like that. I'll use it on a hoof. Yes, I imagine you might use it on a hoof. Yes. We have vitamin E face wash, and we have, oh, this says avocado, but it is a body butter. It is not for eating. True, it is not for eating. So we are now 2/3 of the way through this calendar. Comment below. Have you seen anything that you like yet? Moving right along, we have another body scrubber, and we have a shea body lotion. We have a shea shower cream, and we have a charcoal facial mask. And I've used that mask before, and it is good. We have some nice shea shampoo and conditioner. And last but not least, we have mango body yogurt and vitamin C moisturizer. That was quite the advent calendar. Yes, it was. I think my favorite is anything involving mango. I agree. I like a lot of those mango products. This was a $180 calendar with an overall retail value of $291. So again, this was from The Body Shop, and it is Share the Love and Joy with 25 Advent items. We hope you enjoyed watching us go through this calendar. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we hope to see you again on another video. Thanks for watching.